I believe time changes everything, for
Yeah.
good or for bad.
Yeah.
And you've got 2 years of time.
Yeah.
You could have done wonders with that time, or you could
Yeah.
have simply sit idle.
Yeah.
I wanted to know,
Yeah.
your injury time,
Yeah.
what did you do? What did you learn? And how did that change you as a person?
Okay. So what happened to me was that as soon as my injury happened, people know about my story before the injury. I mean, before all of this, because I was still making a lot of movies.
Right.
But for me, 2019 was my biggest hit
Correct.
of my career.
Right.
And then post that, there was 2 years of pandemic.
Right.
Generally, what happens when an artist start their career, when they have like the huge hits only, they'll have access to good kind of projects which is happening in the market.
True. True.
We will get access to that.
True.
And that's why, at least me, who come to the industry purely on basis of to do good work, I've always just wanted to be in a great project, do
Right.
like crazy characters and learn from people and all of that. Post that 2 years is where the industry was shut.
Right.
And I still had 3 projects. I was a girl who signed a couple of new projects sitting at home during pandemic.
Mm-hmm.
And then mine was the first movie to release after first lockdown, Solo Bro Tuki So Better.
Right.
Mine was the first hit of the country.
Right.
We beat the Wonder Woman.
Right.
And all of that. But post that, I met with an accident. What happens to you is that when you meet with an accident, I was like in a zone, like, oh my God, what is happening with me?
Mm-hmm.
I have a huge hit and there is
A lot of opportunities.
unexpected, a lot of opportunity, but unexpected shutdown of the whole world has happened,
Right.
which is not my mistake.
Right.
And then everything is sorted on Kosariki. I met with an accident.
Right.
And it was like a zone, like I can't let my injury affect my work.
Absolutely.
So I just started pushing myself. First thing I started doing is that, like, once I kind of started dwelling in the sorrow that, like, oh, nothing, like, oh, what is happening with my life and all that. Obviously you go into that zone, like, and like, you know, start eating and like
Right.
doing unhealthy, you know, sleeping and all
Right.
that. You know,
Right.
you know that general stuff. I don't have to tell people know about it.
Right.
Everybody's talking about it on Instagram.
Right.
So first thing I did is like, see, when you decide to change now, that is a different ball game.
Correct.
You know for the fact that you need to fix this, but you want it to be changed tomorrow,
Right.
which does not happen.
Right.
That's what I realized. The first thing I started doing is that let me fix my sleep cycle. For almost 3 to 4 months, I've just focused on sleeping early, waking up early and hitting the gym.
Right.
That's what I did. That's all I did. And I read a couple of books which was just kind of helping me become stronger and like yielding me into doing better on a daily basis.
Do you remember the names of the books?
A lot of books. I think one book which could change everybody's life is the 5 AM Club. Couple of books because it was just like a guide to, you know, getting your mind space better.
Right.
The first book, which is an amazing book, I would recommend it to everybody. It's called the 5 AM Club. Guys, it is not just about waking up early. That's what I thought.
That's what I think too.
No, it is
That's
not.
the biggest problem.
It is not. It is not. It is
Okay.
not. You know what? I bought this book like about before this thing 5-6 years ago because I wanted to get up early. That's
Right.
why I bought that book and I didn't read it.
Right. Obviously.
I didn't read it.
We all do that.
Nobody wants to wake up at 5 o'clock because I definitely do not want to. So I started doing that, and once I started hitting the gym and started doing weight training is when I started becoming stronger because on a daily basis I'm moving something.
Right.
Like today I'm lifting 2 kgs, like tomorrow probably 2.5. It's still like 1% of
Absolutely.
improvement, and I started doing better with my shoulder and everything. So, and I did a lot of self-reflection, and I'm a painter. I'm like I do a lot of artistic stuff. So I just involved myself into a lot of creative process during those times.